back to the channel. We're here at my classic location here at Wauseon, Ohio. So yeah, I just went to the Fulton County Museum, the train exhibit. It was really nice. I think that's it's a BNSF in the lead. What am I looking at? Is that Canadian National? Canadian Pacific. Here we go, guys. Let's get some Canadian Pacific action in. Subscribe, I'll see you in the next one. That was very confusing. I couldn't tell what the train was because it was just really confusing because it looked like a BNSF because of the sun, but then it looked like a Canadian National because of red, but it was a Canadian Pacific. So yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Uh-oh, my battery's low, but welcome back to the channel. Hopefully we can get this whole train. AC44C6, I'm in the lead. They're not my favorite locomotives, but they're reliable. I think in the middle there's some foreign power. Oh yeah, we have a Wells Fargo leasing locomotive. There you go. Ex-BNSF. SC-70 Mac. The BNSF H2 paint scheme. Now it's owned by Wells Fargo Leasing. I don't know. That's what I heard. So I could be wrong. So don't think that that's the actual thing. That's just what I heard. I think Norfolk Southern's actually on a power shortage, and that's why they have a bunch of leasing locomotives everywhere. They're buying everything. Yeah. One day that will be repainted into Norfolk Southern colors. That locomotive, maybe not. Maybe they're gonna get it back to Wells Fargo leasing. So yeah, we'll see what happens to that locomotive. Very long. ET44 AC, that's my favorite locomotive. And even the SC70 ACE. I don't know how long this train is going to be. I'm actually really scared. Can tell, but I already see the end. I'm so glad that this train was not 1,000,000 miles long. Because that's 4 locomotives, I think, in the lead, and I just had 2 in the middle. I think it's loaded. I think it's a loaded intermodal.